Kaisertech and JBC have been working together since a long time. It's about 25 years together, so right from the start. Customers should choose to work with Kaisertech if they really want a partner who will accompany them over the course of their project.
Kaisertech's been a massive support over the years. They're very hands-on. You get to speak to somebody. Our products are a very niche product and we've got very specific needs. Kaisertech will always come up with the products that we need. They have the high-end, high-value products that we're really looking for.
Well, we've used Kaisertech for 20 plus years and they've always been there, always a phone call away. What separates Kaisertech from the rest of the industry is quality of service. They generally will come in and do a demonstration on the products. Always just been a good service. It's always friendly.
If a customer wants just to buy a product, I'll say it could go anywhere. But if you really want to be accompanied all along the way, and if you require also to work with someone who can actually be there to advise them for any kind of projects that they can have, being JBC or being with some other kind of equipment, I would say that they should go with Kaisertech.